ki khubor ka bate si TV rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khan reus nam ya ga jing shakri ga jongka baden ais ngo bhasha baro kinong thi thuk thuk ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali gi laptop kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur R1000 R pusau
Menteri Ketenaga Puli Putih rakam sangma hak khan reuteri unai lur R1000 apsau Ulapun pa wak Sorkar jela kadang pen krea igilat gilinti ban thaulat ne ban lei halor ki kam ki bedai bagi Nonghikai school SSA Shushu rakam uloong bagi Jingdawa gi Nonghikai SSA kadai ke bosongnya bat ke Sorkar kala persangkat bala ban penbiang tarjur je ke jingsiu tulop ba loben rabru bahaki por bala letnyo ke jingyo pediang ya ke bahak pisah na ke Sorkar pedeng ke badi ke tulop jong gi Nonghikai SSA kalong khandai 4% bala bahak dak Sorkar pedeng bat 4% bala bahak dak Sorkar jela Mandalor kata ke Sorkar kalau kentiu ru yo ketulap jongi Nonghikai SSA sasan persen malaus nem.
We are trying our best how to balance it out. Look now, earlier the SSA component, the salary component is about 90 students, but now we are raising 5% every year for the salary component of the SSA teacher. Earlier it was 90 students, and now it is 30:70. So next year will be 35:65. We are practically raising every year 5% of salary component of our SSA teacher. But practically it is not been happening because why? The government of India has been cutting down 5% every year of the salary component of the teachers. But however, their demand is very genuine. We understand. But we are working out the modality. We are working out the formula how to address the issue in the days to come. We understand it. We understand, and we have requesting to be patient. So we are working out. We are working out the formula so that it will address their issues also. We are working out. We will be sending our officials. We will be sending our team of committee to every. We will be sending our officials. We will be sending our the committee to the every nook and corner of the state, to every schools.
What is this committee?
No, this what you call the. We have not named the committee yet, but
The fact-finding committee.
correct means something like. We will be sending like a fact-finding committee only, just to understand the problems, understand the details, issues of every schools of the state. I know we understand there are many schools. There is a zero enrollment. There are many schools teachers never go to the school. There are many schools they're having a proxy teacher. There are many schools there's a single teacher. There are many schools without a building. There are many schools there are more teachers than the students. There are many schools having a 4 teacher, only the 2 students. So now in next we are doing it. But we will be sending our fact-finding team or group of officials or some I don't know like a team so that we will get that details of every teachers, every school's environment, and at the same time we're also working out the modality how to absorb this as a teacher, be as an adult, be as a deficit, be as our teachers, because we are the same family. We understand it is their responsibility. Look now, Meghalaya is one of the highest dropout rate in the country. Why? Teachers should also share responsibility, directly connect to the performance of our teacher. Meghalaya is one of the lowest PJ ranking. Why? It is directly connected with the performance of our teacher. They also should know, right? So I have to admit today, our education system especially in the lower primary is not up to the mark. So I would encourage them, right, just to focus on their duties, focus on their performance, focus on their they should give a quality teaching to the students also. Yeah, definitely government is looking at the option. What can we do? We have said once, and we have already had a meeting with another chief minister. Chief Minister has asked instructed department to give a detailed presentation before we go ahead. First phase survey has been completed. We have done through our officials, but that is again have to be cross-checked again. we will be sending another round of assessment, round of survey to come to get a clear picture. Because now, after this survey, the number of drop rate, number of enrollment has been increased, number of drop rate will be come down because there is a huge, we didn't get the correct figure. Now almost all has been corrected, and you will get the correct figure in the days to come now. We feel everybody wants to when we serve some work, we need a better pay scale. That is natural process. But of course, we also would request them, let us also soldier our responsibility we wear. Because now this is SSS, the Government of India program, right? Government earlier it was 90:10, but now it has come to 30:70, and next year that will become 35:65% of the salary component. At the end of the day, maybe after next 3-4 years will be 50-50. 50 to be bear by the state government and 50 is to be bear by the central government. So at the end of the day, maybe central government decide to hand over to the state government, right? So we know all the challenges. So I think knowing about the challenges, the state government is already on foot just to find the modality and the formula, how to absorb, how to work out, so that it will address the problem also. The question of April doesn't come into the picture, but we have already shifted some of the teachers with zero enrollment already happening, and will be happen also. And but if the enrollments comes back, we will send back to the teacher to the particular schools. If somebody complains, if the department come to know, if the parents or managing, because they are appointed by the managing committee, they have the governing councils, all the be it ad hoc, be it the deficit, be it the SSA, right? They have the managing committee. So I think if we receive any formal complaint from anybody, yes, law will take it on course. Department will definitely will take necessary step to address that issue. And I would also say, I don't know, the problem is this, if anybody don't want to come to the school, if she or he don't have interest in teaching, better he should resign and join some other business, join the profession, or be it the politics, right? So because to me, I was a teacher, but I'm more interested in politics. Therefore, I have resigned from my post and joined the politics. We have the record of these schools, of the zero enrollment, from which teachers have been shifted already. If we receive any formal complaint from anybody, be it the NGO, be it the civil society, be it the MC, be it any parents, individual, so the department will definitely address that issue.